Where are you going?
To reset the breakers.
Okay, then what?
Then we get the hell out of here.
No, then the power comes back on. If you want to unlock the doors, you have to completely reboot the computer system and then override the security codes with a manual input.
Fine. How do I do that?
You can't. Not unless you know basic.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, I got this. It's gonna be okay. Remember Bob, Newby. Superhero.
You can do this, okay?
You're almost home free, all right, Bob?
Run!